Beautiful horse with no vices, no bad habits is dead. So that's what the whole gist was about, the hunt from Black Beauty. I want all of you to go through the word meanings and the spellings. You will write the spellings 3 times in your literature notebook, the way we do it in class, and you will find the answers from A to section A 1 to 8. Who is the narrator of the story? Black Beauty. What was the narrator's age? About 2 years old. What was the narrator doing at the time of incident? Which incident are we talking about? Hair coursing. And what was the narrator doing? What was Black Beauty doing? My voice is not clear. Hello? What was the sad sight by the brook, by the river? What was the sad sight? There was one man who was seriously injured. He was very critical, lying straight on the ground. And the other one was, there was a horse which was groaning, just like Viraj is groaning right now with his neck up. So he was groaning because he was in a lot of pain. He had broken his leg. All for what? For chasing a hare or a fox or a stag, which they would have got it anyways. What was the opinion of the narrator's mother? She was not very fond of this sport because fine horses died and even men could land up in accidents. Who was the young man who lay still on the grass? Can anybody send me? Who was the young man who lay still on the grass? Message me. Hurry up. Who was the young man lying still on the grass?
Speak slowly.
He might as well be dead. Everybody went running looking for doctors that time. He was very serious. Can you describe the last and the final part of the hunt? You will write it in your own words. What is the mood of this chapter? Can anyone send me a message? What is the mood of the chapter? It is very tragic. It is very tragic. You will all write the answers in your own words. Exercise B will be done. That's reference to the context. Move on to the word world. Yes, Garisha answered it. Tragic. Well done, Garisha. Move on to the word world. Move on to C exercise. Exercise C. We will do the third question and the fourth one. Alright? Third and the fourth. What is the message the author is trying to give in the story? And the second one, man kills other animals for their own recreation and sports. Do you think this is acceptable? You have to write your views in your own points. Alright?
Anyone think they don't understand, they can message you right now.
If anyone doesn't understand any part of the chapter, kindly send a message to Lovepreet ma'am, okay? Or Bharti ma'am, or just send it to Lovepreet ma'am. She'll clarify your doubts, alright? I want all of you to be ready with your pencils. Take your pencils. Write down just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. I'm going to give you a topic. First one is uses of animals in scientific experiments. Write down uses of animals